Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. And here comes quick video for you about the Priuses, and basically we'll discuss the fact that Priuses were not made for off-roading. Of course, if they were so high, like right now when the suspension is completely expanded, right, that will be great. But when the vehicle goes down, all these wheels go up in the body, and then the Prius is really low, right? It's a really low vehicle, and this person lives in Northern California, and sometimes she has to go off-road, and I will show you what happens. And of course it's not good. So first of all, this is completely ripped, right? There's a lot of debris stuck everywhere, but it's nothing. That will not bother us, right? This actually survived everything. As I said, everything scraped and ripped, but that doesn't matter much. It's okay. There's no damages. There is no danger to the owner or anything like that. That's a normal, right? It can happen. But look, these things start getting loose. You start losing that plastic hardware which is here and which is not very strong. Now here, tell me, what is this? I have not even idea. I'm Toyota specialist. I never saw this improvement. I will be curious for a long time trying to figure out what is this. Okay, here nothing really bad, right? Not much scraping. And I'm going backwards this way because there's a light coming from outside and the camera will have a hard time to film it. So, exhaust hanger, right? Good. Oodie doodie, not so good. So somebody hit something that the whole exhaust was pushed backwards, and this mount completely fell off of the hanger. So right now we can see the exhaust is unfortunately hanging just on one side. That's a problem. Well, way bigger problems coming right now. What is this? That's a high voltage cable, right? This is the dangerous part of the hybrid vehicles, and you need special techs to work on those with the special certification, because if you do something wrong with it, it can kill you instantly. Look at those hangers. There is a bolt, but it's backwards like this. Like it got hit and pushed backwards. Look at this part, how it's bent backwards. Look at this hanger, bent backwards and barely hanging. Well, now comes the problem. Look at here, completely ripped off. And this is coming to the battery, right? That's the main harness. It carries that dangerous high voltage from the hybrid battery. It's completely ripped off, dislocated. This whole part broke. I hope the dealer, I will have to go get on the phone, I don't remember, if you can buy just this white plastic carrier for that orange cable, right? So you see things, they are not in the good order on this vehicle, and I know why. She told me, right? Sometimes the way she lives, she has only one vehicle. Sometimes she has to drive it off-road. You can see, right, the dust and dirt and sand. She has to, because she has no choice. Apparently she had a Toyota Tacoma before, but that is gone, so now economical vehicle became a Prius. However, I have to tell her, talk to her, she has to be more careful, and unfortunately these things needs to be repaired ASAP, right? I will have to hang this back and so on. So that was quick video for you. That Priuses weren't built for off-roading, definitely not. They prefer nice and smooth roads. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, my friend.